Facebook page name change problem. If you are having trouble changing your Facebook page name, then this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open your Facebook app. After opening Facebook, the first thing you need to do is tap on the three-line menu icon. Once you tap that, scroll down a little and you will see settings and privacy. Tap on settings. After that, you will see an option called personal details. Tap on that. Once you tap it, you will see several options, but there's one important thing I need to tell you. This process only works when you switch to your Facebook page first. It will not work properly from your profile. Right now, as you can see, I am on my profile. So what we need to do is tap here and switch to the page. So what you need to do, after selecting the page, you will see several options appears on the screen. Now tap on three-dot menu. After that, go to settings and privacy. Then tap settings again. Now you will notice that the option looks different than before. Next, scroll down. Here you will find an option called page setup. You may need to look carefully to find it. When you tap on page setup, you will see an option called name. There is where you can change your page name. If I tap on this option, I can choose a new name from here. After entering the name, you will see a button called review change. You need to tap on review change to submit the request. Now let me explain why your Facebook name change might not be working. The main reason is very simple. Your name change request gets rejected because the name you entered does not follow Facebook policy. Right now, Facebook prefers unique and realistic names. You should use your real name or a proper brand name. If you enter random or unusual names that does not match Facebook community guidelines, Facebook will reject your request after review. That's why your page name change is not getting approved. So the most important thing is to choose your name carefully. Make sure the name looks real and professional. If you want more ideas for page names, you can even use AI tools and ask what kind of names is more likely to be approved on Facebook. That can help you a lot. And as I always say in every video, always stay safe and secure online. Make sure to protect your Android phone and if possible, use a premium antivirus so your phone stays highly secure. On this channel, I regularly talk about premium antivirus apps, Android customization, useful Android settings, digital security tips. These settings are very important in today's digital world. So please subscribe to the channel and support me so I can continue making helpful videos for you in the future.